Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to set a favicon or an image that represents our website using HTML. For today's video, we will be using VS Code to write our website. What are favicons in HTML? A favicon is a small image that represents a website or web page. It is the small image you see to the left side of your tab. Most websites like Google and Wikipedia have a unique favicon for their website. And today, we will learn to set our own favicon to our website. First, you must select an image to put as your favicon. Make sure that your image is at least 96 by 96 pixels. Also, make sure that it is the right type of image. Most websites accept ICO, PNG, GIF, JPG, and SVG image types. After finding your proper image, make sure that your image is inside your VS Coding folder so you can access it. Your image can't be just anywhere in the computer. After all of that, head to your HTML file in VS Code. Unlike any other time when we would write our code inside of the body element, when setting a favicon, make sure to write your link element inside your main head element. Start by writing a single link tag. Set rel, short for relationship, to icon. Then write your type attribute. Why is writing the type attribute important? In many cases, you will notice that you don't even need to write the type attribute to specify the type of your file. It is because your code can figure out what file type it is dealing with by its file name, .jpg. However, specifying the type can clear out any doubts and help the computer work better. Imagine a concert where the band plays without telling you their genre. Is it rock, jazz, or techno? We as the audience can guess, but the type attribute avoids confusion. It's the genre label for your content. Plus, some browsers might behave differently if they don't know the content type. Explicitly setting it ensures consistent behavior. To write the type attribute, first write the type keyword and follow it by an equal sign. Then, write a set of quotation marks. Inside the quotes, write image if you're dealing with an image. Then, write a / and the type of the image. We can also specify the type for videos. Just write the word video / the type. That's all for the type attribute, so back to our code. In our code, end your link tag by writing a href attribute. For your href attribute, write the name, type of your file. That's it for our link tag. I have the same code here in Visual Studio, and if I run this, we can see a favicon for our website. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help out the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.